Let's go back to the 53rd chapter of Isaiah, and we